Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and hit that icon down there in the corner, subscribe to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and cheap, inexpensive paint mixer to mix up a gallon of paint. You got a gallon of paint you bought and it was sitting for a couple weeks because you hadn't got around to doing your project and you need to mix the paint up. I'm going to show you how to make a cheap, inexpensive paint mixer with simply a couple drill bits that you put in a drill. We just need two things: the drill bits and a welder. And we're going to tack weld them together so then we can use it to mix paint up. Alright guys, we got them held together with the welding clamp. Now we're just going to put a couple tacks on there and weld them together. And here we go, guys. We just put a little tack on there, just a cheap little tack, just to penetrate it. And now they're welded together. So nothing fancy. So now we can stick it at the end of the drill. And we got ourselves a redneck paint mixer. That's right, redneck paint mixer. Alright guys, if y'all ain't subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Y'all have a great day. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.